Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Ireland? Option A, Oslo. Option B, Vienna. Option C, Dublin. Option D, Brussels. Guess. Which is the capital of Ireland? The correct answer is option C, Dublin. Which is the capital of Tajikistan? Option A, Doha. Option B, Tashkent. Option C, Dushanbe. Option D, Bangkok. Guess. Which is the capital of Tajikistan? The correct answer is option C, Dushanbe. Which is the capital of Sierra Leone? Option A, Kinshasa. Option B, Freetown. Option C, Accra. Option D, Tripoli. Guess. Which is the capital of Sierra Leone? The correct answer is option B, Freetown. Which is the capital of Tuvalu? Option A, Funafuti. Option B, Port Moresby. Option C, Suva. Option D, Honiara. Guess. Which is the capital of Tuvalu? The correct answer is option A, Funafuti. Which is the capital of Botswana? Option A, Maputo. Option B, Lilongwe. Option C, Lusaka. Option D, Gaborone. Guess. Which is the capital of Botswana? The correct answer is option D, Gaborone. Which is the capital of Cayman Islands? Option A, Georgetown. Option B, Nassau. Option C, Havana. Option D, Kingston. Guess. Which is the capital of Cayman Islands? The correct answer is option A, Georgetown. Which is the capital of Guyana? Option A, Bogota. Option B, Caracas. Option C, Georgetown. Option D, Paramaribo. Guess. Which is the capital of Guyana? The correct answer is option C, Georgetown. Which is the capital of Gibraltar? Option A, Gibraltar. Option B, Andorra la Vella. Option C, Monaco. Option D, Vaduz. Guess. Which is the capital of Gibraltar? The correct answer is option A, Gibraltar. Which is the capital of Bolivia? Option A, Bamako. Option B, Dodoma. Option C, Sucre. Option D, Bujumbura. Guess. Which is the capital of Bolivia? The correct answer is option C, Sucre. Which is the capital of Guatemala? Option A, San Salvador. Option B, Guatemala City. Option C, Panama City. Option D, Tegucigalpa. Guess. Which is the capital of Guatemala? The correct answer is option B, Guatemala City. Which is the capital of Saint Barthélemy? Option A, Castries. Option B, Bridgetown. Option C, Gustavia. Option D, Vaduz. Guess. Which is the capital of Saint Barthélemy? The correct answer is option C, Gustavia. Which is the capital of Bermuda? Option A, Hamilton. Option B, Havana. Option C, Kingston. Option D, Nassau. Guess. Which is the capital of Bermuda? The correct answer is option A, Hamilton. Which is the capital of Vietnam? Option A, Hanoi. Option B, Bangkok. Option C, Jakarta. Option D, Vientiane. Guess. Which is the capital of Vietnam? The correct answer is option A, Hanoi. Which is the capital of Zimbabwe? Option A, Gaborone. Option B, Harare. Option C, Pretoria. Option D, Lusaka. Guess. Which is the capital of Zimbabwe? The correct answer is option B, Harare. Which is the capital of Cuba? Option A, Port-au-Prince. Option B, Caracas. Option C, Havana. Option D, Managua. Guess. Which is the capital of Cuba? The correct answer is option C, Havana. Which is the capital of Finland? Option A, Tallinn. Option B, Oslo. Option C, Stockholm. Option D, Helsinki. Guess, which is the capital of Finland? The correct answer is option D, Helsinki. Which is the capital of Pakistan? Option A, Islamabad. Option B, Rawalpindi. Option C, Karachi. Option D, Lahore. Guess, which is the capital of Pakistan? The correct answer is option A, Islamabad. Which is the capital of Indonesia? Option A, Manila. Option B, Jakarta. Option C, Bangkok. Option D, Kuala Lumpur. Guess, which is the capital of Indonesia? The correct answer is option B, Jakarta. Which is the capital of Israel? Option A, Nazareth. Option B, Haifa. Option C, Jerusalem. Option D, Tel Aviv. Guess, which is the capital of Israel? The correct answer is option C, Jerusalem. Which is the capital of South Sudan? Option A, Juba. Option B, Addis Ababa. Option C, Khartoum. Option D, Kampala. Guess, which is the capital of South Sudan? The correct answer is option A, Juba. Which is the capital of Afghanistan? Option A, Herat. Option B, Kabul. Option C, Bangkok. Option D, Kandahar. Guess, which is the capital of Afghanistan? The correct answer is option B, Kabul. Which is the capital of Uganda? Option A, Kampala. Option B, Kigali. Option C, Nairobi. Option D, Juba. Guess, which is the capital of Uganda? The correct answer is option A, Kampala. Which is the capital of Nepal? Option A, Thimphu. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Kathmandu. Option D, Dhaka. Guess, which is the capital of Nepal? The correct answer is option C, Kathmandu. Which is the capital of Sudan? Option A, Ouagadougou. Option B, Tripoli. Option C, Niamey. Option D, Khartoum. Guess, which is the capital of Sudan? The correct answer is option D, Khartoum. Which is the capital of Rwanda? Option A, Bujumbura. Option B, Kampala. Option C, Kigali. Option D, Goma. Guess, which is the capital of Rwanda? The correct answer is option C, Kigali. Which is the capital of Jamaica? Option A, Port of Spain. Option B, Castries. Option C, Bridgetown. Option D, Kingston. Guess, which is the capital of Jamaica? The correct answer is option D, Kingston. Which is the capital of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines? Option A, Basseterre. Option B, Kingstown. Option C, Roseau. Option D, St. George's. Guess, which is the capital of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines? The correct answer is option B, Kingstown. Which is the capital of Malaysia? Option A, Kuala Lumpur. Option B, Hanoi. Option C, Manila. Option D, Bangkok. Guess, which is the capital of Malaysia? The correct answer is option A, Kuala Lumpur. Which is the capital of Kuwait? Option A, Kuwait City. Option B, Riyadh. Option C, Doha. Option D, Muscat. Guess, which is the capital of Kuwait? The correct answer is option A, Kuwait City. Which is the capital of Ukraine? Option A, Warsaw. Option B, Kiev. Option C, Minsk. Option D, Bucharest. Guess, which is the capital of Ukraine? The correct answer is option B, Kiev. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing. Guess the capital city. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.